Can crypto be any more manipulated? You guys, I literally just sat down and shot a 10-minute video breaking down the fact that the spot Bitcoin ETFs had just been approved. I'll go ahead and roll some B-roll here. Like, this was posted from the official SEC Twitter. 15 minutes later, the tweet is gone, and we get Gary Gensler stating that this was a fake post and that somebody got illegal access to the Twitter posting that the ETF had been approved. Now, this comes on the back of the fact that Gary himself had just posted a huge thread 24 hours ago about the potential dangers of investing in crypto. People took that as a potential sign that the ETF was basically on the horizon. And what a way to time this, right? Again, to me, it seems super coordinated. I'm not sure what you think, but this seems like this was almost done on purpose. Everybody's been sitting down with their ears glued to the ground, waiting for the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. We get an announcement from the SEC. 15 minutes later, it's gone. And then Gary says this was all just a big mistake. Now, there's only 24 hours left before the actual spot ETFs can be approved within January, before they have to be pushed back all the way until March, or delayed back up until March. So what this tells me is that if they do approve it tomorrow, it's like, what was the point anyway? There's only 24 hours. But if they deny it, this could be seen as one of the biggest pieces of manipulation that has come to date. We just took a look at the Bitcoin price, and let me actually pull it back up here for you guys. This is when the announcement was made. As you guys can see, that the Bitcoin price shoots all the way up to literally about $48,000, which a lot of people tend to think is going to be the local top. Immediately, within the next 5 minutes, it wicks all the way back down to $45,000, and now we're recovering. But as sentiment grows and as the news goes out that this is actually not a real announcement, I'm wondering how many people are going to start to sell now, especially if we do get the official approval tomorrow. Again, guys, I know that crypto, it's the Wild West, but I did not expect something as crazy as what we've just seen in the last couple of minutes. Let me go ahead and pull up the tweet from Gary himself, right? Stating that this is just an uncompromised, or a compromise, and an unauthorized tweet that was just posted. So here is the tweet. The SEC Twitter account was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing of trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products. Imagine how many people have just gotten liquidated because of what we've just seen. That's the manipulation that I'm talking about. Imagine how many people had buy orders, above 47,000. And then we get this huge wick down to just quickly liquidate them. If we get the Bitcoin approval tomorrow and then the price goes up to 48,000, that will be the clear sign that this has all been manipulation. Again, how careless can the SEC be to be compromised at the highest time that they're needed? At the most critical time that they should not be compromised, that's the one time that they are compromised. Again, this makes no sense. I'm going to go ahead and just put up that screenshot because I just got done recording a video about the SEC approving the first ever spot Bitcoin ETFs and the impact that they're going to have here on the crypto ecosystem. I refreshed my Twitter feed and the post is gone. Really, really crazy to think about. What's also interesting is the fact that 24 hours ago, Gary posted a thread about how risky crypto investments are. So let me quickly go ahead and find it here. This is the thread. So he basically highlighted, right, that crypto as an investment class is super risky in that not everybody's going to be abiding by the law. I don't disagree. Within every profession, every job, just with every part of the world, there's people that are never going to follow the rules. Crypto is no different. Scrolling down a little bit, he talks about how crypto can be extremely risky and how it's extremely volatile. Like, does that come as a surprise? Literally, this guy was tweeting about how volatile crypto is going to be. And then the next day, the official SEC Twitter's page is compromised. And then there's extreme volatility in the market, potentially liquidating, millions of dollars worth of longs. And then the price now kind of moving down in the negative direction. Could this be the local top? I definitely think so. Could this be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event? I definitely think so as well. It looks like right now things may not actually be approved. Again, we don't know. There's only 24 hours. But the fact that something like this could be leaked, inappropriately or inadvertently, or through the compromising of the official Twitter page of the SEC is mind-boggling at this particular time. Number one, we need to figure out how did they get compromised? And then number two, what about the timing? Like, this just does not make sense to me. So there's a lot of people that have just gone live on YouTube. They're creating content right now, and they're going to have to walk all of this back. So I wanted to release this update because I was literally just getting done shooting my other video. I was about to edit that. That was going to be some positive news here. And then I just saw the fact that this is all just a big fake out. So I'm not sure what to think. Let me know what you think down below. Again, Bitcoin right now trading, again, it's heading lower. It's trading at about 45,800 to no surprise, right? We've got some more manipulation and some more shady tactics going on here. Just scrolling back a couple of days ago, we saw Bitcoin climbing all the way to $45,000 and then immediately breaking down, right, to the $41,000 range, which was about a 10% move, completely out of nowhere. And then we get this kind of really irregular wick again after some of this crazy news, which has just been released. So I'm not sure what to make of it. I'm sure that you're probably just as puzzled and confused as me. Again, the fact that Gary released so much commentary yesterday about Bitcoin and how it can be exploited, and then 24 hours later, the perfect example of everything that he just mentioned plays out, to me, seems more like a coincidence than a mistake or some sort of account being compromised. Again, the SEC Twitter account being compromised, right, seems super shady. Let me see here. Their account has over 500,000 followers. I wonder what kind of access they provide. This definitely isn't going to be an intern utilizing this platform. Who has access to this Twitter? Who could have leaked access? And who actually posted this fake announcement? We need more clarity. What a crazy day in crypto, just like the rest. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bitcoin, welcome to crypto, welcome to altcoins. This space is ruthless, and this just goes to show it. This will go down as a historic day, not for the good news, but just for this crazy, crazy tweet that just came out from the official SEC Twitter page. Let me know what you guys think down below. That's going to be it here for today's video. Wanted to just release this as soon as possible. If you guys found this content to be helpful, I would appreciate you if you could smash that thumbs up. If it's your first time stopping by Dapp Central, make sure to subscribe for more. And last but not least, if you have any questions, then make sure to go ahead and leave a comment down below. That said, as always, I will see you guys in the next video.